Hello coders, and welcome to How to Fix. In today's video, we'll be focusing on a new bug that you might find challenging to solve. So without further ado, let's dive into today's bug.
Let's start by executing code 1 to stimulate the error and watch the result. Here's the explanation and the solution to the problem. Please halt the video to go through the explanation. It's time to mend the code and check the produced result. And bingo! The code performs perfectly and our output is just right. The error has been fixed. That concludes today's video. If you found this tutorial useful, be sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more troubleshooting videos. Remember, stay inquisitive, keep learning, and happy debugging, folks.